In chapter 2, our next topics are care of teeth and what are microbes. So let us start with our first topic, that is care of teeth. It is very important to take good care of our teeth to prevent from decaying of tooth. What is decaying here? Decaying means infection from the germs or even weakening of a tooth or developing of the cavity. So what we can do, what happens, dear ones, when we eat food, the bits of food stuck into our teeth, outer layer of the teeth, and then this leads to the growth of bacteria in our mouth and teeth, and then these bacteria attack to our outer covering of tooth, that is enamel, and then to dentine, and finally it reached to the pulp. And then when it reached to the nerves within the pulp, it caused pain, toothache, bleeding gums, cavities, and bad breath. So what we can do to prevent our tooth decay? What are the tips for healthy teeth? Let us see that. So first tip is we should take calcium and vitamin C rich food supplements. For example, food like milk, cheese, cottage cheese are rich source of calcium. And for vitamin C, we should take citrus fruits like amla, orange, etc. Then the second tip is we should brush properly twice a day in upward and downward direction. Then the third tip, we can use a dental floss to clean between two teeth. Fourth one is we should wash our mouth properly after every meal. Then fifth one is we should not have too many of sweets or chocolates. And finally, we should visit our dentist regularly. So these are some tips for our healthy teeth. Let us move on to our next topic, microbes and the kinds of microbes. So first let us discuss what are microbes. The tiny living organisms, microorganisms, are microbes that can be seen through microscope. Okay, mainly four kinds of microbes are there, that is bacteria, viruses, protozoa and fungi. Now let us discuss about bacteria. Bacteria are single-celled microorganisms. They may be of rod shape or spiral, or they may be round. And the disease caused by bacteria are, some examples are typhoid, pneumonia and tuberculosis. Then we will discuss about viruses. So viruses are smaller than bacteria and can be seen through a powerful microscope only. What are some disease? For example, flu, polio, dengue and common cold. Let us discuss about protozoa. Protozoa are single-celled microorganisms, and some diseases are malaria and dysentery. Then let us discuss about fungi. They can grow on dead and decaying matter, and the disease, they mainly cause skin disease like ringworm and athlete's foot. But don't think that all the microbes are harmful. The disease causing microbes are known as germs, but some microbes are useful for us, like the yeast help us to make the bread soft. Yeast is a fungi. And then some bacteria help to change the milk into curd. Even some bacteria help to produce vitamins in our body, and some of them help in the decaying of dead plants and animals. And finally, some of the bacteria help in the digestion of roughage in animals. So let us revise the kinds of microbes. Microbes are microorganisms that can be seen through a microscope. Mainly 4 kind of microbes are there in a course, that is bacteria, viruses, protozoa and fungi, and they causes different disease. Like bacteria can cause typhoid, tuberculosis and pneumonia. Virus can cause flu, polio, common cold and dengue. Protozoa can cause malaria and dysentery, and the fungi can cause like skin disease like ringworm and athlete's foot.